There you go. Just wanted to make a quick video about SBS VOD because it's one of the only places you can legally watch Korean content for free other than YouTube outside of Korea. A lot of the other websites, the on-demand websites, they don't actually work outside Korea, so you can use a VPN. So let's get into it. First of all, there is a lot of free content here of really old TV shows that you can't find on your specific websites, maybe. So they have a lot of new content as well. It's basically coming out. So you've got your different genres up here, and then a lot of them have like 700, 800 episodes because they're like really old TV shows. This one started in 2005. So you click play, and what you may notice is that you get 4 adverts instantly. So the way to remedy that is you have to log in. So if you make a login, you cut it down to then 2 adverts. So you're stuck watching 2 adverts at the start, and then you also have a few adverts in between. Every 15 minutes, I think it is, an advert comes up. But if they're in Korean and they get repeated, it's great exposure for you. So the idea is just to get as much exposure as you can, really. And you may notice as you're watching up here there is a SBS points, so you get them for watching 5 seconds of an advert, which you can then cash out. So you go to here, go to the money coupon, and then you go to point, and then you have, when you can save the points, so you get, I think it was 5 points for every 15 seconds of an advert you watch, and then you can spend it to completely remove the advert. So I recently got this, so I have 30 days of advert free. So that's a great way that you can get more watching content without solely relying on YouTube, and you can also watch old TV shows in Korean. Sadly, there is no subtitles, which is the main downside to this, but there's a lot more content and really long TV shows, which are great. That's it.